Hey there! Are you ready to pack like a pro for your next vacation? We've got you covered with the ultimate packing hacks that will ensure you have a perfect vacation. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about organization. Use packing cubes to keep your clothing neat and tidy. They not only save space but also make it easy to find what you need without unpacking your entire suitcase. Now, let's move on to maximizing space. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. This not only minimizes wrinkles but also takes up less space in your suitcase. Plus, you can use the extra space to pack more essentials. Speaking of essentials, create a packing checklist to make sure you don't forget anything important. From toiletries to electronics, having a list will help you stay organized and reduce stress. Another handy tip is to pack mini-sized toiletries. They take up less space and are perfect for short trips. You can even buy travel-sized containers and fill them up with your favorite products. Next, let's talk about preventing spills. Place a plastic wrap or a shower cap over the openings of your toiletries to prevent any leakage. No more worrying about finding shampoo all over your clothes. Moving on to footwear, pack your shoes in shower caps or shoe bags to avoid getting dirt on your clothes. Plus, use the inside of your shoes as additional storage space for socks, underwear, or small accessories. And don't forget about chargers and cables for your devices. Keep them neat and tangle-free by storing them in a sunglasses case or a small bag. No more untangling cables. Lastly, pack a lightweight and foldable duffel bag. It's perfect for souvenirs or dirty laundry you accumulate during your trip. It takes up minimum space but proves invaluable when you need those extra inches. That's it for our ultimate packing hacks. We hope these tips help you have a stress-free and perfectly packed vacation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel hacks. Happy travels!